This week, my throat is better. So, I'm going to give a little snap of what I can do. Joey. Obviously, this is why I'm not in the competition, because I can be a little bit, what's the word, intimidating. So, yeah, thank you guys, You've got a little snippet now of what I'm capable of, but don't worry, because that'll be you lot now by the end of the competition, alright? Right, just like, oh.